Here I am in Archicad and I imported this one as FBX file and the other one as Collada, as DEA file, directly from Blender. And it works differently in Archicad. The FBX file can transparency from the outside, import into Archicad. That's the other one. And I situated the little iPhone scan of my HUD outside to see the difference. The iPhone scan, the Scanniverse scan on my iPhone, maps the pictures correctly on the surface of the model, but the Skydome, which is imported into Archicad, doesn't have the correct map. The FBX file on the left is transparent from the outside. So I have to find a way to get maybe a FBX file with the inner mapped 360 degrees, and or the other way, a DAA file with transparency from the outside. I don't know how to achieve this from Blender. Okay,